Elite Careers made hiring a breeze. We found a candidate who not only matched our requirements, but exceeded our expectations.
Their process, from job posting to the final interview, was seamless. We got the right talent without the headache.
If you're on the hiring journey, stick around because we're about to dive into how Elite Careers can make the hiring process a breeze. Recruit your next star employee with Elite Careers. We start by placing your job on premium platforms for maximum visibility, followed by a comprehensive online skills test that goes beyond the CV to explore their professional toolkit. Introducing knockout questions, designed to filter out candidates not aligned with your ideal profile. When you meet a candidate, rest assured they've cleared significant hurdles. After the initial hustle, we meticulously shortlist the best of the best. It's not just about qualifications, it's about finding the perfect cultural fit. We pick up the phone and have a chat with the candidates. It's not just about skills, it's about understanding their motivations and ensuring they align with your company's vision. This isn't a typical interview, it's a chance for us to virtually meet your potential hires, evaluating both their skills and how well they align with your workplace. Finally, the grand finale, a face-to-face meeting between you, the employer, and your top picks. Here, you can assess who seamlessly fits into your team dynamics. As we wrap up our journey through the Elite Careers hiring process, remember that your next star employee might just be a few steps away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Also, check out our other videos for more useful content like this.